Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Today we are taking the chapter number 4, simple equations. What is the equations? Equations is which things we can write in variable like this English alphabet, like this A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, etc. So these are the simple equations. So exercise 4.1, first of all, first question, complete the last column of the table. So that is given x plus 3 is equal to 0 and then x value is equal to 3. So that is, you will fill in your book, that will x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3 is given. So that is a yes or no. So first of all we will write that like this. This is a 6 is not equal to 0. So this is a no. This is no. So similarly you will be do other part also like this. First is no, second will be also no, third yes, fourth no, fifth yes, fifth, sixth no, seventh yes, eighth that will be no, ninth no, 10th no, and then 11th yes. So question number 2, check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to be given equation or not. The same thing is this one also. That is the first part. That will be n plus 5 is given there is equal to 19 and then n value is equal to 1. So 1 plus 5 is equal to 19. So 6 is not equal to 19. So this is no. Similarly B will be also no. C that will be yes. D for 13 no. E no. F that will be no. Okay, and then from third question we will see on blackboard. Solve the following equation by trial and error method. So that will be third question, first part, that is 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. So first of all we will subtract both sides 2. So 5p plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 17 minus 2. So both sides we have written minus 2 minus 2. So that will be, this is a cancelled. So 5p is equal to 17 less 2, that will be 15. And both sides we will write upon 5 also, because 5 is there and 5 is also 15 also cancelled by 5. So 5 cancelled by 5, 5 3 ja. So p is equal to 3. Second part, that 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. So here is given in minus 14, so we will write both side plus 14. That is 4 plus 14. So that 14 has cancelled. So 3m is equal to 18. And then this is the 3, so we will write here upon 3 also. 3 cancelled by 3, 3 6 ja 18. So m is equal to 6. And then fourth question, write equations for the following statement. First part is, I will be write here only solution. The sum of number x and 4 is 9. So that will be x plus 4 is equal to 9. X plus 4 is equal to 9. Second part, that will be 2 subtract from y. 2 subtract from y. Y minus 2, that is 8. It means is equal to 8. And then third part, 10 times a is 70. 10 times a is 70. So 10a is equal to 70. Time is multiply. So 10 multiply A is equal to 17. Fourth part, the number B divided by 5 gives 6. Number divided by B divided by 5. So B upon 5 is equal to 6. Fifth part is 3/4 of T. 3/4 of T. 3/4 of T is equal to, that is 15. Sixth part 7 times M plus 7. 7 times M plus 7 is equal to 77. 7 times M. So 7M. 7 times M plus 7. It means plus 7 is equal to 77. Seventh part is 1/4 of a number x minus 4. 1/4 of a number x minus 4 is equal to, that is 4. Eighth part, if you take away 6 from 6 times y, so 6 times y. 6 times y minus 6 is equal to, that will be 60. Get 60 means is equal to 60. Ninth part is, if you add 3 to 1/3 of z, so 1/3 of z, 1/3 z, and then add 3 is equal to 30. Question number 5, write the following equation in statement form. It means fourth question we have written in the algebraical form, and then fifth question we will write in statement form. It means that's the opposite question of fourth. So first part is that P plus 4 is equal to 15. P plus 4 is equal to 15. So here we will write the sum of P and 4. The sum of P and 4 is 15. This is the statement. Second part, that M minus 7 is equal to that 3. So 7 subtract from M is 3. 7 subtract from M, that is M, separate M, is 3. Third part, 2M is equal to 7. So that product of 2 and M, product means multiply, product of 2 and M is 7. Or you can write in your language also. Solution, fourth, M upon 5 is equal to 3. M upon 5 is equal to 3. M upon 5 is equal to 3. So M divided by 5, or 1/5 of M, 1/5 of M is 3. This one also. Fifth part, 3M upon 5. 3M upon 5 is equal to 6. Solution, that 3/5 of M is 6. Sixth part, 3P plus 4 is equal to 25. So 3 times P plus 3 times P plus 4 is 25. Seventh part, 4p minus 2, 4p minus 2 is equal to 18. Is equal to 18. 2 subtract from solution. 2 subtract from 4 time m. 4 time m is 18. That is 8th part, p upon 2 plus 2, p upon 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. 1 that the sum of 2 and half of p, the sum of 2 and half of p is 8. That is 8. Yes, 8. Now next question 6. Set up an equation in the following cases. Set up equation in the following. It means here is given the statement. Here is given the statement. We will set up the equations. So how we will set up the equations? See that 6, that first part, solution. That will be, Irfan said that he was 7 marble more than 5 times the marble Parmeet has. Irfan has 37 marble. So take m to be number of Parmeet marbles. So let Parmeet marble is equal to m. So according to question, that will be 5 times. So that will be 5m. That time is 7 plus 7 is equal to that 37. This is the equation. We don't need to find this one. Second part, solution. Lakshmi father is 49-year-old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. So let Lakshmi age is equal to, let Lakshmi age is equal to, that we will take y, and then 4 years older, it means plus 4, and then 3 times is 3y. So according to question, 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. Third part, the teacher tell the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest marks score is 87. So take the lowest score to be L. So let lowest marks is equal to L. So according to question, A oblique Q, that twice means 2L, and then plus 7 is equal to 87 is total marks. Fourth part, that will be, in a isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice other base angle. Let the base angle be in degrees. Remember, that the sum of the angle of triangle is equal to 180. So let base angle is equal to, let base angle is equal to, that will be suppose B. So according to question, so sum of angle, that sum of angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. So we know that three angles are there, angle A plus B plus C is equal to, that is 180 degree. So that will be A plus, that will be B plus B. So you can write like this also similarly, that will be 2 times that one vertex angle, so B plus B and 2B, so that will be B plus 2B is equal to 180 degree. So that will be 4B is equal to 180 degree. That is a vertex angle and these are the base angles. So vertex angle is double is given there. Okay.